Accidents are called as such because they happen to people when they least expect it. Thus, the best advice to give is to be always prepared for the inevitable to make its effects less serious and more manageable. Being prepared for an accident means having a first aid kit in places or areas where you or your family usually stays. First aid kits are a necessity in your homes, your vehicle, and even in your office. You never know when and where an accident will strike, so it is best to be always prepared. There are pharmacies and other establishments selling ready-made first aid kits. However, preparing your own first aid kit can be better because you know what the possibilities in your horizon are in terms of accidents. Another reason why it is better to have your own first aid kit is because when there is an emergency, you know what is in your kit and you can easily get that item for whoever needs it. A first aid kit need not be expensive for as long as it contains the basic medicine and medical supplies that are commonly used for minor injuries requiring first aid. You can choose to buy the items all at one time, or you can acquire them in batches. Later on, you will be able to build a suitable first aid kit. The basic medical supplies for minor medical emergencies are cotton, hydrogen peroxide, alcohol, and bandages. For general requirements around the house or when going camping, you need an insect repellent, aloe vera cream or gel for sunburns, pain relievers, basic medicines for head and stomach aches, diarrhea or irregular bowel movements, and your doctor's number. If family that usually goes on picnics or go traveling using the family car or recreational vehicle should carry with them a first aid kit. The first aid kit for travelers should be waterproof, easy to access, and the medicines are easily identifiable. Since it will be used for travel, the first aid kit should be light and easy to carry. It would be an advantage if the first aid kit is compartmentalized pockets and the latter have the names of the items inside the pockets. Always keep your first aid kits clean and the medicines updated. It would be better if you can make an outline or a list of the contents of your first aid kit so that you will be able to know in a glance what you have inside. Also take note of the expiration dates of the medicines you have in your first aid kits to avoid giving expired medicines to persons who are already medically in danger. When preparing your first aid kit, always consider the needs of family members, particularly those who have special medical needs or who have allergies to specific medicines.